All right, guys, so me and Cody came back to his house in Barberville today to see if we could get his grandpa's boat fired up. We thought we were gonna have to do a bunch of work to it and take the motor apart and stuff, but we put some fuel additive in it and it fired right up. It's been sitting still in this garage for I don't know how long, but it fired right up. So we're gonna take it out and see if it'll go and see if we can get some fish on it. But this is a boat, old Tracker V16. Got about a 1990 Mercury 60 on it. Fired right up. So we're gonna go out to Laurel Lake and see if we can get some action. Boat's running. Everything seems to be going good. We're gonna throttle down and see what happens. Water dog. Here. Fish on. Come here. Woody, here. 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 Woody. There's one. Big one? I don't know. No. No, Woody. Woody. That's just what I wanted you to do. On it? Yep. Get it? Nice. Show it to the camera. There's your little bounce back right there, baby. What are you going crazy? Pinned him. Nice. Skunk sell the boat. Skunk sell. Not a keeper, but good enough for me. Alright, so we're back out here on Laurel. It's Saturday morning. We got the old Tracker out here. We're gonna try to get on a early morning topwater bite. Primary goal of this trip is to give this boat a name. So we didn't try to rush it and give it one yesterday, but we're going to give it a name today. We're going to see how it fishes a full day and we'll go from there. Yeah. Really good. Still fits, big spot. Yeah. Nice. Show the camera. There you go. On a jig.
Pretty spot.
Big spot, yeah.
That guy.
Nice.
Cool. He's colorful, ain't he?
Yeah.
Time to go for a swim. Got him? Yeah. Didn't hide or anything? No aerial display.
Yeah. Bigger than I thought.
Let me grab him.
I go ahead and grab the net. What is it? Interesting looking fish. Perfect hook set.
He's got some pigment, don't he?
Yeah, that's awesome. Pigmented bass.
What'd that come on?
Jig.
First big fish, huh?
Yeah. One of the
Oh!
my bad.
No, you're good.
I'm the one who told you to boat flip it.
Good. What kind of those cats?
Why did I?
So now it's Sunday and we drove down the road to Lake Cumberland. Third day of taking the boat out. We're gonna see if we can get on a bite.
That was nice.
Oh,
I can't remember. It wasn't enough. No, it was. He was.
oh yeah.
Fish?
Yeah. Good.
You should be buttoned up pretty good with a huck set.
Sir.
That's fish. It's a good one. 3-pounder.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Skunks out.
Skunk is out of the hat. Out of the bag, whatever you say. Nice. Hard mouth. That, my friends, how you catch a Junderschloof.
Looking frail.
Boat flip this one, I'll let this one. Nice! Big topwater fish.
Sweet. Spook. Ah. Check him out. I bet you look huge in comparison to that fish right there.
Zell. I have Zell. Do you? I mean, it was obviously fish. Yeah. Good one. Yeah, it is a good one. Nice. Another keeper. Throw in the live well.
Show the camera. Fishy.
We've got our fair share of it in these past.
Cleaning the lyric this morning. I was gonna get my arm broke. Got one? Yeah. Got it.
It's a smallie.
This is a small one.
It's not a smallmouth.
The one side looks smallmouthish. The other side don't. Hybrid.
It's a spot.
Sun came out.
It is a spot. Let's see if it's a 12-inch spot.